is totally indigenous, and I will show you today how you can reverse this trend of global warming and climate change. Now, if you see this graph is showing you the carbon dioxide content in the outside environment, and the graph ranges from here 1000 to 2000. And as you observe on the left hand side, the CO2 content, gentlemen, in the air was only 280 parts per million. For years and years, for thousands of years, it was 280 parts per million. But now, the world average has gone to 425 parts per million. And in Delhi and NCR, Greater Noida, it has already crossed 500 parts per million outside. But inside, we have created more toxic environment. Here is the device with this girl. This is condition not only here, everywhere. We have conducted survey in airports, in five-star hotels, in all cities. The outside pollution level of carbon dioxide is 500 parts per million, but inside we have found carbon dioxide content as 1500 to 2000, even 3000 parts per million. And for past 2 years, I have been attending various international national conferences. I have found even in five-star hotel recently, the CO2 level inside a hotel, conference room like this, where our ministers were giving lectures on climate change and global warming, the CO2 content rose to 1700 parts per million, 1800 parts per million. It is on report. So what has happened? What was happening earlier? It was 280 parts per million. We were living comfortably. But the problem started coming after 19th century. The first steam engine was made in 1776, you know. James Watt made this steam engine, and then industrialization took place, and then it is speeded up uncontrolled. And we produced more carbon dioxide. If you see down below, what was happening for 1000 to 19th century? Because whatever carbon dioxide was being generated by us on this planet Earth, it was being absorbed by trees and plants. And trees and plants were giving us oxygen and food. And we were staying happily on this planet thousands and thousands of years, millions of years. There was no problem of carbon dioxide till about 1800, 1900 century. But after that, we became greedy. We produced more carbon dioxide. Today, everybody wants, as was covered by the Honorable Speaker previously, we want to travel in Mercedes. We all want to have big cars, good buses, all air-conditioned buses, air-conditioned car. We want air-conditioned home, air-conditioned office, everywhere. Even trains are air-conditioned. So, where will this all CO2 generated by all these things go? It will go to the environment. And these are the reasons: uncontrolled industries, traffic on the road, and even the lifestyle change. The life has changed. Now we cannot live without AC. And this is the reason. Now in any air-conditioned space, and nowadays we are using split air conditioners in most of the houses. We sleep at night, put the split air conditioner on. We feel we are living comfortably in a cool atmosphere, but we are living, gentlemen, let me tell you, we are living in a gas chamber. Because CO2 content in that room in which you sleep with the split AC on rises to about 1700 ppm, 1800 ppm. This is causing health hazard. This is harming your own internal parts of the body, and that's why you find a lot of new ailments, new diseases, the youngster getting heart attack. So this is the main cause of problems. So what I have done, or what I propose, that whatever is this extra carbon dioxide, we absorb this. I have made a system. We capture carbon dioxide from the environment. Not only carbon dioxide, all toxic gases, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, all gases are absorbed by my system, absorbed by the filters. And after absorption, it will send to the mineral-rich organic manure plant. And it is converted to the organic manure. And the organic manure goes to the plants. See the simple principle. Whatever are the pollution in the air, it is bad for human health. But it is good for my plants. The carbon dioxide is not required by us, it is dangerous. But carbon dioxide is a food for plants. You know it. Plants and trees, they use it for photosynthesis, it is a food for them. And that previous cycle, what was happening earlier, top triangle, we want to go back to the same thing. So this is the technology which am promoting, and the equipment is ready. It is likely to be implemented on ground very soon. It has been tested by Ministry of Environment, Ministry of Defence, DRDO. Everybody has found it satisfactory, fortunately. Now this is, gentlemen, what is happening. Which is the biggest pollution creating machine on earth? It is not industry, it is not your car, gentlemen. You yourself, you and me, are the pollution creator in this hall today. Do you know when we inhale the oxygen or the air, it contains only 0.03% of the carbon dioxide. Even if it is 500 parts per million, carbon dioxide content in the air which we take inside our body, it is 0.05%. But when we exhale, it becomes 4.31%. इसका मतलब एक सांस में हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को 146 टाइम्स बढ़ा रहे हैं. दिस इज ए कैलकुलेशन. एंड देयरफॉर अगर हम बढ़ा रहे हैं तो इसको सोल्यूशन किसके हाथ में? सोल्यूशन भी हमारे ही हाथ में होना चाहिए. दैट इज माय कॉन्सेप्ट. दैट जो आदमी जो पॉपुलेशन है उनको यूज करो, वही पोल्यूशन को निकालेंगे. Gentlemen, this is the status. Everybody is talking of this green area, fossil fuel and industry, that they are creating carbon dioxide. Gentlemen, carbon dioxide created by fossil fuel, your industries, your car is only 72%. Rest of this 13% is by us human beings and 15% is by those living animals which are with us, dogs, pet dogs, our cows, whatever is living being, they are also exhaling the carbon dioxide. So this about 28% of the carbon dioxide is released by living being, and in the world nobody is thinking in this direction. We are blaming the fossil fuel, and we are thinking we will solve the problem. No, this total human being and livestock, if you total it up, this is 40% of 72. So if we are able to solve this 40% problem, I think we will reverse the climate change. Now, gentlemen, this is a small system which I have created. It is a small device. Down below you see it is just a fan. On top there are 3 filters. It takes about 50 to 60 watt electricity consumption, and it will clean your air. Whatever is the air inside the room, there are carbon dioxide. In addition to carbon dioxide, there are other types of gases, carbon monoxide, methane and other things. It absorbs all of them. They are summarized by TVOC, total volatile organic compounds. So this system removes the carbon dioxide and TVOC, and it absorbs carbon dioxide equivalent to 17 number of trees. The carbon dioxide which one person generates on this planet, you require 17 numbers of fully grown trees to absorb that. 17 number of trees of 5 to 7 years of age at least, not small plants. Therefore, this particular device has been designed in such a way that this is sufficient for one or two persons. So this generates or this absorbs carbon dioxide from environment equivalent to 17 number of trees. Now this is displayed here in hall number 5, stall number 124. You can come and see both these products. This is a device which is having 3 such devices. So down below you see it gives the cleans the carbon dioxide. And this absorbs carbon dioxide, gentlemen, equivalent to 51 number of trees. Imagine, this is just 3 feet by 1 feet by 5 feet of the instrument. You can place it in your bedroom, you can place it in your office or any room. And this will remove carbon dioxide and other pollution from your house or from your one room equivalent to 51 number of trees. Imagine. And this removes carbon dioxide day and night. Trees only remove carbon dioxide, absorb carbon dioxide during the day, but they release 50% of it at night. And you require 5 to 7 years. If you plant a tree today, it will not start absorbing straight away the carbon dioxide which you generate. You require 17 trees fully grown. But this device will start filtering or absorbing from day 1. Another advantage of this device is also given with 2 oxygen cylinders on left and right. So in any emergency, in fact, gentlemen, let me tell you, this technology which I am telling you today, this is used, so far this has been used in India in underground nuclear bunkers, in underwater submarines and in space missions. The technology obviously there is very costly. It was costing in crores. What I have done after my retirement 10 years back, I have devised a method of indigenous material which can be made affordable by common man. So this is the system, the same system which is being used in submarines, which is being used in underground nuclear bunkers. I am giving for use by each and every person, because after second wave of corona, I found, and I have discussed it with concerned authorities in the government, that tomorrow if there is a situation of coronavirus or any other biological war, the world environment today is very volatile, as you see. Third world war may happen, may not happen, but there is a big possibility that next time any anti-terrorist or any terrorist organizations or any other country, our enemy like China, may use this biological weapon. Corona was nothing but a biological war. It was a biological agent, coronavirus. So this device will protect you in that environment. For 7 days, you can close your house, you have the food and water stored in your house, and this device will keep you live for 7 days because it controls carbon dioxide. This is an automatic system. I will explain you. I will take more time because there will be other speakers also. So I will, in nutshell, I will tell you what this device does. This does 3 things. Firstly, it will ensure carbon dioxide level in your room below 800 ppm, and lower value you can set 400, 500, wherever you want. For heart patients, for asthmatic patients, you set a low value. Even 500 is not a good level of CO2. God has given us 280 ppm. Remember, outside it has already become 500 ppm. Inside we have increased it to 2000 ppm. So for patients, it is very less than 800 ppm is required. 800 ppm is for normal man. So this controls carbon dioxide level in the room below 800 ppm. Now, you can remain for 24 hours without oxygen in the room if it is closed from all sides. But after 24 hours, oxygen level depletes. It comes down because we consume some oxygen. So, automatically by this system, if oxygen level comes down below 17%, oxygen cylinder valve is opened and it is made 21%. So, it will ensure CO2 level below 800%, and it will ensure that oxygen level in your room will always remain between 17 to 21%. Now the third problem, if outside environment is contaminated, though I say we will seal the house totally, but some air may enter. Therefore, to guard against that, we keep the internal pressure more than the outside pressure. We call it positive pressure. So before you switch on, there are 2 modes in this, normal mode and button up mode. So when you go in button up mode, you have the doors and windows closed and maintain the positive pressure in your room, so that if any air leaks out from anywhere, it should be inside air which should leak out to outside environment. The outside air should not be allowed to enter in your room because it is toxic. So gentlemen, these are the good provisions in this device. Now I will just sum up in next 3 to 4 minutes. This is a system which I am giving in my house.
This is a bigger system which is having a size of 4 feet by 4 feet and height is about 7 feet. This absorbs carbon dioxide from the environment equivalent to 816 number of trees.
Gentlemen, imagine 816 trees is a small device because it absorbs all pollutions from the air. I am making a house, my own house in east of Kailash, New Delhi. It is getting prepared as the first house of the world which will absorb carbon dioxide from environment equivalent to 1122 trees. 806 is this device, 816, and few more, 300 more. So one complete house of 4-bedroom house can remove carbon dioxide from air equivalent to 1122 trees. Now this is the small device. Like I have come here today, R&D is going on this device in my factory in Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. You carry a system, a small filter, whatever carbon dioxide I release, it should be absorbed. And I should take this filter back to my home. In the evening, I remove the filter, use it in my flower pots, gavla, as an organic manure. Because whatever pollution this chemical of mine is absorbing, it is converting into organic manure. Even if you travel by train, take your device with you. We are developing the device even for cars. In cars, gentlemen, you will be surprised. I have carried out the experiments in car. If 4 people travel, within 5 to 7 minutes, the CO2 level in your car goes to 3,500, 5,000 parts per million. It is very, very dangerous because their space is limited. So we are making a device even for car. Even outdoor, we are putting a device on car. Now imagine if you are having this carbon dioxide absorbing device on car, then moving traffic on roads will no more be creating pollution. In fact, it will be collecting pollution from the environment. And that pollution will be converted into organic manure which will go to trees and plants. This is, now we are migrating from villages to big cities. And we are going for multi-level, multi-story buildings. Now, in multi-story houses, imagine gentlemen the system which I am giving you, 51 number of trees worth of carbon dioxide can be absorbed by one device which you can keep in your bedroom or a drawing room. Now imagine if there is a multi-story tower and all rooms in that are given this device and they start absorbing the carbon dioxide. I have proved it that concrete jungles can clean the environment 1,000 times better and faster than green forest. This is the news which has come. अब natural forest का काम करेंगे concrete के जंगल. You can't stop development. It is very easy to say, you don't move to urban areas, remain in villages, or don't do this, don't use AC, don't use your car. Plant more trees, yes, you plant more trees, but we have been planting these trees in past 20, 30, 50 years. We have been using solar system also past 20, 30 years. We have stopped diesel vehicles, we are using petrol vehicles, now from petrol we are changing to electric vehicles. Even hydrogen will come, but all these measures are good to stop this, to sustain this, but they will not reverse the climate change. Gentlemen, the requirement is reversal, because if you don't reverse this, then our future generations will suffer, because it is expected that by 2022, CO2 level in the environment will increase beyond 5,000 parts per million, and then no human being will be able to survive on this planet. And that's why whole world is now worried about this climate change and global warming. Another solution, gentlemen, this technology is used in air-conditioned buildings. It will reduce consumption of electricity by 30%, and it will reduce the peak design load of AC, air conditioning plant, by 30%. For example, this air conditioned hall, as per ASHRAE and ISRO instruction, this is supposed to be designed that CO2 level in this hall should not increase more than 800 parts per million or 1000 parts per million. For this, we add fresh air. 4 to 8 times we change the stale air of the room and add fresh air from outside. This is the concept of air conditioned design we use in India and everywhere. At level. So carbon dioxide level, if it goes beyond 1000 parts per million, then it is dangerous as per the ASHRAE. So we add fresh air. And fresh air is coming from outside. And what is outside temperature? 45, 48, 50 degrees centigrade now. And inside we want a cool condition, 22 degrees centigrade. So this much saving in electricity will be achieved if you use this technology. And what I am proposing, I have shown it to ISRO engineers all in big seminars. You need only one air change in 24 hours. And that is when you come here in the morning. Because I have found when any seminar starts in the morning, outside CO2 level is 500 parts per million, inside is 1000, and we started 1000. No, that is the time we should refresh the system, we should use exhaust fan, we should bring fresh air from outside at 500 parts per million carbon dioxide. And then whatever carbon dioxide we generate inside the room, we absorb it in our system. And after absorbing, send it to the organic manure plant, so that it is not polluting the environment. So continuously you will clean the environment this way. This is the method. So if you apply this system in air conditioning plant, you will save electricity. I have recommended given recommendation to my railway minister. In trains we are using air conditioners. Now most of the trains are AC. But I have checked, even in first class AC, the CO2 level goes to 1700, 1800 parts per million. It is not a healthy condition. So there also if we use, the load will come down and each train will clean the environment equivalent to, you can see, 24,000 trees. A train having about 20 bogies will be able to clean the environment while on move. organic, non-metallic, and this is a very good step to make Atmanirbhar Bharat, and it will also promote export. I have already got the demand from other countries for this equipment and this technology. In fact, Americans are now surprised that how this type of technology can be developed in India. So far it was all top secret, gentlemen. It was being used in all those places where I have narrated you. This technology has been open to the civil public for the first time. Government of India is very much aware of it. They have recently published Green Credit Program, and they have included this technology in this. So whosoever will be using this technology, which helps in cleaning the environment, they will be given credit by the government in terms of green credit. The rules are being formulated for this. Now this is finally conclusion that we have to adopt eco-friendly technique today to save the earth from destruction for our future generations tomorrow. Public awareness and education is must, gentlemen, and this is the conference where my aim here is to spread the awareness to public about this technology, that this exists and this exists in India and this is affordable. Let us save the world from destruction, and this has to be adopted with Indian philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister has already taken the initiative in G20 summit. This has been told to other countries to cooperate, and this has to be applied in the entire world. Then only the pollution problem, global warming pollution can be solved. Now time to do it today. As you see this quote, we are the first generation to feel the impact of climate change, and we are also the last generation that can do something about it. This was said by President Obama in COP27, and this is a fact. So tomorrow our future generation may not get a chance, so we have to think it and act upon today. Thank you very much.